Today we're going to be writing equations for story problems. Remember to read the story problem first and then come up with an equation. Our first problem says Ginny has 7 marbles and Kenny has 5 marbles. How many do they have altogether? The relationship is Ginny's marbles plus Kenny's marbles to equal the total marbles. So your number sentence would be 7 plus 5 equals your answer. You can write an equation for 7 plus 5 equals all the marbles all together. Remember, an equation is going to have a letter in it. That way you can solve for the letter. If I was going to solve this problem, I would do 7 plus 5 equals 12, so M would equal 12. This problem says Ginny and Kenny together have 37 marbles and Kenny has 15. How many does Ginny have? So looking at this, we're still adding Ginny plus Kenny's marbles to get the total amount, which is 37 marbles. But we don't know how many Ginny's are. So what I would do is have the number sentence blank plus 15 equals 37. But in that blank to write an equation, I'm going to write a J plus 15 equals 37. You can now solve for J in order to figure out what the equation is worth. In order to do that, I can take 37 and subtract 15 from it to get J. I know that is going to be 22. So for this problem, J is going to equal 22 marbles. Remember though, we're writing an equation. For this problem, Ginny, Kenny, and Penny together have 15n plus 35. 15n means 15 times that number plus 35. Kenny has 2n and Penny has 12. How many does Ginny have? So looking at the relationship, I know that Ginny's marbles plus Kenny's marbles plus Penny's marbles equal the total amount of marbles. And altogether, it's going to be 15n plus 35. So looking at that, how am I going to get 15n plus 35? For this problem, I know that Ginny's marbles are going to be unknown. If it's unknown exactly what it would be, I'm going to use an x, just like they would in algebra. So x plus 2n plus 12 is going to equal 15n plus 35. Remember, this again is going to be an equation. You need to use the information from the story problem to create that equation.